Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Aaron here at 510 Bender. We are tearing the dash apart today. I'm not sure who I hate more, the guy before me or me for doing this. But let's get that light back here where we can see. Yeah, ripped all the old wiring harness out. And I did it in a bit of a hurry, thinking, oh yeah, all the plugs are the same. It's no big deal. Or different. Well, some of these plugs are the same. Some of these wires, the colors didn't match on the other side. I didn't care. I just wanted to get the old harness out. And I'll show you why. We had a weird clamshell thing there. Anyhow, let's go over here and take a look. This was what someone had done to the ignition. The ignition circuit had given up. This little guy had gone out. Sure, I could have went and bought another one of these and just wired it back into that, but there is so much wrong here. There's so much cut into, so much I don't know what. That top harness here was the old harness. This is our new stock-ish harness. It's stock. It's got a little bit of a deal right here in the radio area where we're not even going to use those wires anyway. And then it's got one plug down here that I'm going to try and dissect and snag the plug off of here because this plug is in much better condition. I just have to figure out how to unpin these things and repin them. So yeah, I'll let you know how this goes when we go to wire it back together, because I'm not great at wiring, but here we are. Anyhow, you've only got a couple of days left before the holidays. If you want to get your order into modified racewear, code 510 BEND-OR, spelled just like that, gets you a discount on your order. You have until the 14th of December 2020 to get your orders in for a guaranteed ship before Christmas date, not saying that the post office can get it there in time. That's modified racewear, code 510 Bender. Don't forget to check those guys out. They're our sponsors over here at 510 Bender. And yeah, we'll check in with you guys later.